Hello friends, my name is Jesus Iván Morales de la Fuente of the M1-5 group of Engineering Mechatronics, and the signature is English 5. My professor is Eduardo Centeno Rosas, and in this video I come to show you how to make a touch switch. Yeah, very easy. And with a few materials, and without further ado, let's start. First of all, the materials: 1 integrated circuit LM555, 1 resistor of 100 ohms, 1 ceramic capacitor 0.001 microfarads, ceramic capacitor 0.1 microfarads, 1 LED diode, in this case is a chameleon, or you can use with a color, for example yellow, red, blue, and inclusive white. Yeah, 5-volt source like this one. Yeah, and 1 protoboard and cable to connect in the protoboard. Yeah. Okay, let's start with the steps. To start assembling our touch switch, we take into account our following diagram that we made to guide us from the correct connections of the device to be assembled. The diagram is this one. Yeah, you can see all the connections and the integrated circuit, and we can see our source is 5 volts, and our touch or cable touch is this, and any components and these components we can use in this practice. Yeah. Okay, step number 2. I download from the internet the datasheet of the LM555 integrated circuit, that at the end of the instructions I will attack to see the connections that we have in the switch diagram. The datasheet is this one. We can see all the pins, and in his name this component, and we can see the ground, the trigger, the output, the reset, and the input voltage and volts, and discharge, threshold, and control voltage. In this case we don't use this pin, pin 5, because it isn't necessary. Yeah. Okay, let's continue with the step 3. We proceed to place the LM555 integrated circuit in the protoboard like this. Yeah. Yeah. And let's start connecting pin 1 to ground directly, because pin 1 is ground, and so we need to connect to ground. Yeah. Okay, the next one is step 4. We connect pin 2 with a cable without insulator, because this will be our switch for the LED to turn on and off. Right? That like this. And connect a 0.001 microfarad ceramic capacitor. The capacitor is this. We can identify this capacitor because there is a number in in the capacitor. Yeah, in number the corresponding is 102 corresponding at 0.001 microfarad ceramic capacitor. Yeah, so we can connect to ground in pin 2. Okay, next one is the step number 5. We connect in pin 3 and LED diode of any color and connecting the other end to ground of the same. We can connect in pin 1, pin 2, pin 3 or left like this to see. And we can put a cable to connect at ground to ground or left. Yeah, and this will do the function of tell us that the systems work. Yeah. Next one, this is step number 6. Connect pin 4 and pin 8 to 5 volts of direct currents. Okay, so we can put a cable in pin 5 and pin 4 and pin 8. Yeah, like this. No, like this. And another cable to 5 volts like this in the line positive the forward. Yeah, because here is where to connect our cable sourcing or source. Okay, connect to pin 6 with our ceramic capacitor of 0.1 microfarad ceramic capacitor and ground. So we need to connect our capacitor in pin 6, pin 1, pin 2, pin 3, pin 4, pin 5, pin 6. Here is pin 6 at pin 6 to ground. Yes. The next one is we connect in pin 7 a resistor to 100 ohms and connect to the 5 volts of direct current like this. Yes, and another cable to connect in pin 7. Okay, that's it. And finally we can use finally we connect the 5 volt source to the protoboard and electric current. In this moment my current is my laptop. I connect the positive and negative like this and positive in this place, and we proceed to connect my laptop. We can see to let is we can see is we can see the LED is turned on, turn off when I touch the cable, this cable. Yeah. Turn on, turn on, turn on, turn off, on, off, on, off, on, off. Yeah. Well, that's all about me. I hope it was work for you. Follow me for more tutorials. Bye!